Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on email notifications in the Google Wallet app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Wallet app, and then in the top right corner we have our Google account icon. If we tap on this, we open up this little list, and in the list we tap on wallet settings, and if we scroll down in the emails section we can turn on updates from wallet and Google Pay. Then we are going to receive updates about offers, invites to give feedback, and tips for using essentials in the wallet app. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.